welcome to Dining Painting with Cats and Dogs. This is Helen here, and I have a Monster High from Diamond Art Club that I wanted to show you guys. Since Halloween's coming up and you got drills and chills, figured it'd be nice to see one of these. It's really nice. I like the new boxes. Tells you the colors, how many, let's see, we have 37 colors, including 2 ABs and 3 fairy dust. Total drills in all is 57,344. On the back of the new boxes are pretty much the same here. We have what's the context of the box, directions of the box, and I know I just did that wrong. Sorry about that. But yes, it's very beautiful, and there's what the drawing looks like. Okay. Okay, so this is a square. It shows you right here the square. It is a 22 by 25 inches or 55.8 centimeters by 63.7 centimeters. And this is Frankenstein. Let's see what we got in this box here. We have another box. Oh, really nice. Really nice. I like that. But it looks like the drill kit fell out. Okay, no problem. So let's set this here. Move this over. And this stuff was inside the box, which is a small sticker with the information on it. You can put it in a logbook or at the end of the boxes. Some people do that, how they store it. But these new boxes have stickers, so you really don't have to do it. You can also put it on the top of the box. Just counts how you store it, what you want to use it for. That side. Here's the toolkits. And in their new toolkits, they have a new pen, which the putty's inside this. You just twist it. I have not used this yet, so when I do, I'll make sure that we do a review. Extra putty, a heart-shaped wax, some baggies, and we have a multi-placer, which I think this is a 7, and then you have a full 4-placer, and then of course your single placer. Then you have a tray with a lid and also a stopper. So that's their new toolkit. With my hands, nothing works. Okay, so let's put this back. The toolkits, if you're new to diamond painting, you really don't need anything else to diamond paint. It comes with everything. As you learn, you'll come to customs, or you'll figure out what you like more. And then let's get into the box here and get our painting out. Put that aside. It comes in this dust cover to keep it protected. Nice and thick dust cover. Okay. The canvas is very soft, very flexible. Let's see if we can open this right. Here's our drills. Those drills do have the name of the canvas on it and the code to match your sticker paper and your thank you. So this doesn't have all the new stuff in it, but it has a lot of new stuff in it. Because now these come with a little booklet that has all this instead of 2 separate ones. So this is your thank you, some tricks, some trades. So if you want to join the Facebook group, they're also 20% if you've never ordered from them before. Put that aside. And then this here is the sticker page you can use for kitting up. These are all individually cut. You can use this for your logbook, whatever you like. It gives you the name of the drawing, who's it by. It's Monster High, square, the size. So this is nice. It's all stickers. And let's flip this over so we can roll it backwards to get it flat so we can see what we're doing. Okay. So we can make it flat. Okay. Here at the top it says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. You got a legend on the top here, on the top left, and one on the bottom right. And then down here in the bottom you have a thumbnail, more information about the diamond painting, their media, and then their warranty. Let's pull this off here. Nice and sticky. Also, they have with their plastic now, it's perforated, so you can just pull it off and not have to worry about taking it all off. Your preference if you want to or not, but this is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Vibrant colors, very detailed. Let's see how well it is to see. Look at that sparkle. Easy to really read all the symbols. The symbols here we have, easy to read, 37 of them. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I love this. This is going to be another fun one to do for Halloween. Hopefully you like it. It's a nice size one. So, let's check out these drills. Just by looking at it, very sparkly. Yeah. Only Helen cannot find where it opens up. There we go. That aside there. Okay. So open these babies up. Okay, let's see what we have here. Some blues and purples and greens, some browns, purples and pinks, greens and purples, yellows. This one here is our first fairy dust. Let's see if we can get it up here so you can see it. Oh, it's just glittery. And this is an AB. So you can see the difference in them. The coating on them are different. Okay. Get our next set here. Diamond Art Club did start making their own colors, which are in the 6,000s. This is the first time I've seen them or had a drawing that had them. So this is one of them. It's a gray. We have a blue. Here is another AB, white. Very pretty. Some dark greens, whites, off-white, purple, blue, gray, pink. Got two of the 603. Here is another fairy dust in pink, very pretty. We have two of those dark blues, 1, 2, 3 of the 310 black, and 2 fairy dust in these greens. Very pretty, very pretty. Put these aside here. On the last one, and these are okay then. So we have this one here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the 6,000s, which go around the whole outside. We can guess that one's pretty simple. Okay, so let's set these aside. And let's see here where these, the fairy dust and the ABs go. So let's see, we have put this down here. So, and here we have some fairy dust. And the name, Frankie Stein has some fairy dust over here in her clothes. Back here in the background here. Here in the lightning bolts. Let's see what we got up here as we move up towards her face. We have some in her eyes, her glasses, her mouth. Up in here, we have fairy dust. So this is going to be so cute. I cannot wait to do this one. Very vibrant, pretty colors. Even though it's Frankenstein. We got some pop. She's not so scary. She's more cute. So I hope you all like this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the videos. It really does help me and Tolly. We would really appreciate it. So I'm trying to get it so you guys can see all of it before I say my goodbyes. There you go. I hope you, like I said, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.